to fix unable to install update on iPhone. If you are getting unable to install update when trying to update to iOS 18 on your iPhone, it is usually due to storage, network, or system verification issues. And here is how to fix it and get that update installed smoothly. First of all, check the internet connection. You must have a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection. All you have to do is avoid public or slow networks. iOS updates can't be installed over cellular unless you are on 5G with allow more data on 5G enabled. Now restart your iPhone. Simple but effective. Press volume up or volume down, then hold slide button and wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Now, once you are on your home screen after restart, all you have to do is look for the settings app available there and simply tap on it. Now, once you tap on the settings app, scroll and tap on the general option available in there. Then tap on the software update. And you can also delete this update you have done recently and try downloading it again. Sometimes the downloaded file is corrupted, so make sure to delete and re-download the update. If you see the update option available there, update it to the latest version. Now once update, go back, scroll down to the end and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on the reset, then tap on reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.